Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge with milk using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 ounces of unsweetened chocolate. Make sure to prepare a 9 by 9 inch pan by lightly greasing it before you begin. Now let's get cooking. Combine the sugar, milk, butter, and unsweetened chocolate in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until it comes to a full boil. Once boiling, stop stirring and let it continue to boil for exactly 5 minutes. This step is crucial for the fudge's consistency. After boiling, remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, here's a key step. Let the mixture cool completely without stirring until it reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, beat the fudge vigorously with a spoon or electric mixer until it thickens and loses its glossy appearance. This creates that perfect creamy texture. Once beaten, quickly spread the thickened fudge into your prepared 9 by 9 inch pan. Work fast, as it will start to set quickly. Let the fudge cool and set completely at room temperature for several hours or even overnight. Once firm, cut it into 1-inch squares. Now you have delicious, homemade fudge ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.